In next 10 minutes, we are going to break down unrealistic beauty standards of social media जो तुम्हारी self esteem की ऐसी तैसी कर रहे हैं. How to get over this FOMO, how to set usage boundaries and prevent body image issues. Over 90% Gen Z feel insecure about how they look on Instagram and compare themselves to influencers. But what if I told you the perfect influencer that you are comparing yourself to took about 3 hours to dress up? Then 200 pictures from which he selected 3 or 4, उस पे उसने 17-20 filters लगा के देखे and then he posted one photo. Kylie Jenner even pays her paparazzis to take photos of her and then she edits those photos herself and then sends them to paparazzis to post these photos. पर्दे के पीछे मामला अलग ही चल रहा है बॉस. Let's get real for a minute, okay? The beauty and self-care industry of India is about to grow to 227,000 crores in 2025. And you know what? About a 35%, which is like 80,000 crore rupees, the sales are made through influencer marketing, digital marketing and all. These people are emptying your pockets and they're selling you useless products that you shouldn't use on your skin. There have been cases where people's eczema got worse when they used products that they bought online. And it doesn't stop there. People are asking their parents for cosmetic surgeries. They are blaming their parents for poor genetics when they haven't realized their true potential. उससे पहले ही कोई इन्फ्लुएंसर देखा जिसके भाई 19 साल का इन्फ्लुएंसर है और इसके एब्स है, इसके तो पूरा जैक्ड है. ब्रो ये तो स्टेरॉइड्स लेता है, चलो मैं भी स्टेरॉइड्स लेने लगता हूँ. So many people are thinking like this. This has become the biggest challenge of Gen Z. We base our identity wrapped up in what others think of us. और उसी चक्कर में कुछ भी पोस्ट करने से पहले 18 बार चेक करेंगे कि हाँ ये वीडियो में मेरा सही एक्सप्रेशन रहा ना, ये टाइटल मैंने ठीक लिखा ना, यहाँ से लाइट तो बड़ी आ रही है ना. एंड इन सब में इतने इनसिक्योर हो जाते हैं और जब वो पोस्ट करते हैं द राइज ऑफ कैंसल कल्चर एंड ऑनलाइन हेट कोई नहीं रोक सकता. पीपल आर रूथलेस ऑन सोशल मीडिया. आमने सामने ऐसा कोई बात नहीं करता जैसे लोग सोशल मीडिया पे देते हैं. इतनी गालियाँ दे रहे हैं लोग एक दूसरे को फालतू है. इन रियल लाइफ they would never attempt this, but sadly social media is here to stay. और अगर हमने इससे निपटना नहीं सीखा तो अपनी मेंटल हेल्थ की तो बच जाएगी. देखो बॉस, एक विशियस साइकिल चल रही है यहाँ पे. द मोर यू यूज सोशल मीडिया द मोर यू कंपेयर योर सेल्फ. द मोर यू कंपेयर योर सेल्फ द मोर योर सेल्फ एस्टीम फॉल्स डाउन. When this happens, you don't make enough friends, you don't hang out with your friends quite often, and because of that you use more social media. You're doomed. And the smartest minds of this planet have designed this app so that you are hooked onto it और तुम चलाते ही रहो. But अपन को उनसे भी ज़्यादा smart बनना है. And here are a few ways where you can limit your social media usage. The best thing would be to delete all your social media apps from your mobile and just operate them from your desktop. ठीक है, सारे डिलीट कर दो अपने मोबाइल से और डेस्कटॉप पे एक टाइम सेट करो कि शाम के 7 बजे मैं 15 मिनट के लिए इंस्टाग्राम चलाऊंगा एंड दैट्स इट. दिस इज अमेजिंग बिकॉज मोस्ट ऑफ दीज एप्स आर ऑप्टिमाइज्ड फॉर मोबाइल्स बिकॉज वी कैरी आवर मोबाइल्स एवरीवेयर एंड दे वांट अस टू लुक एट द एप्स ऑल द टाइम. बट द एप्स फॉर द डेस्कटॉप आर नॉट दैट टेम्पटिंग compared to mobiles. So it's best if you can do this, delete all your apps from your mobile and just operate them from your PC. And if you cannot do that, there are a few tips. First, you can get them off your home screen. Home screen से हटा के एक कुछ दूसरे फोल्डर में ऐसे छुपा दो उसे, क्योंकि उसके जाने तक तुम्हें थोड़ा एफर्ट करना पड़े. And then you also can set usage limits using some particular apps. तुम उसको यूसेज लिमिट दे सकते हो कि 30 मिनट्स या 45 मिनट्स और 1 घंटा ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा. अ वेरी यूजफुल टिप वुड बी टू किल नोटिफिकेशन ऑफ ऑल द एप्स literally all the social media apps should have no notifications on. वो आपका focus हमेशा चुरा लेता है. So refrain from any type of notifications. ठीक है रोशन, हम uses तो कम कर लेंगे, but how do we get over FOMO? See, in this world there are 8 billion people. So you will always miss out on what 99.999999% of the people are doing. Most of your life is missing out on what other people are doing. Most people are busy in their marriages, busy raising their kids, busy going for underwater seahorse training classes. But you can't do that. You don't have to do that. So first of all, get this cleared. You cannot be everyone in this world. You cannot be even 10 people that you want to be like. You can only be yourself. So whenever you get FOMO, do this, okay? Think about what it is actually that I'm missing out in my life. In case of comparing yourself to an influencer and how he looks, it might be the feeling of being validated or the feeling of, I wish I could be that attractive. So what you can do here is take a systematic approach to take a very simple thing and incorporate in your life to get towards that value. So if you want to be more attractive, you can take steps like better hygiene, exercising more often, having a skincare routine, and stuff like that. So actually moving towards your goals will give you a sense of contentment and satisfaction, and this will kill FOMO. Also, remember that it's always fear of missing out. You're not missing anything inside. अंदर से आप सब complete हो. You're Sat, Chit and Anand. But only you're missing something external. Inside, you're totally complete and wholesome. अब body image और body dysmorphia के ऊपर तो बहुत बड़े videos बना सकते हैं. But एक simple चीज़ जो बाकी लोग mention नहीं करते हैं, वो बोलना चाहूँगा कि the more you identify with your body, the more you will worry about how I look. Start identifying more with your spirit, your spiritual self, than your bodily self. इससे आपका जो bodily conception है उससे attachment कम होएगा. And when attachment is reduced, you will worry a lot less. This doesn't mean that you stop caring about your body and start eating anything, stop exercising, stuff like that. You still have to care about your body, just don't have to worry about it. And just keep putting in the work without expecting the result. You will feel content and just keep on moving. Don't compare, don't criticize, just be yourself. और मैं तो कहता हूँ जंग छेड़ दो. कैसे डाल सकता है कोई हमें comparison के hell hole में? I don't want the youth of India to feel bad about themselves seeing others. ये सब समझना चाहिए सबको कि whatever anyone is showing is just a highlight reel और उनकी ज़िंदगी ऐसे नहीं है. Everyone have their own struggles and we have to get over thinking just about our looks and compare ourselves to others. We have to conquer our inner demons. We have empires to build. बहुत कुछ बचा है भाई और you can totally control who are you influenced from. Social media is just a tool, not a ruler. You can control who you are influenced from. And I believe this channel can be the biggest influence on cultivating incredible mental health. So please subscribe and we will see you in the next video.